Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre, and I'm so excited today to introduce to you our #1 requested styling product, our cold processed leave-in conditioner. Our leave-in conditioner is a lightweight leave-in treatment that works to restore hydration, smooth frizz, and strengthen hair for a healthy finish. This post-wash treatment helps retain additional moisture in the hair, providing your hair with deeper nourishment as well as protecting your hair against heat damage. So our key ingredients are snow mushroom, glycerin, squalene, argan oil, metafoam seed oil, and vegan protein. You're going to apply this product evenly to freshly damp hair and leave in. So depending on your type of hair, I have medium hair, so I'm going to do between 2 and 3 pumps. Massage it into your hands like that. Take the hair and just kind of work it through your hair, all the way through evenly like this here. And you can also brush this through if you need to. Making sure you're covering everywhere, but leave kind of this section here, so nowhere near the roots, mid-length to end. Very similar to how you apply your actual conditioner in the shower, but you're just not going to rinse this out. And now you can either leave your hair to dry naturally, or you can use this as a blow drying styling treatment.